Hi friends. Welcome back to Hott and Sweet. Today, we are making a perennial favorite and a true Maharashtrian classic, Kothimbir Vadi. These savory cilantro fritters are crispy, flavorful, and absolutely addictive. Ingredients are as follows: coriander, 1 bunch, besan, 250 grams, green chili paste, as per your preference, turmeric, salt, jeera, ajwain, white till, lime, chaat masala. The star of the show is, of course, fresh Kothimbir or coriander. Make sure your leaves are washed and dried thoroughly. This is the secret to getting that perfect, non-sticky texture. We are binding our greens with a mix of gram flour or besan for that extra crunch. Then come the spices: turmeric, lime juice, jeera, chaat masala, chili paste, salt. Add some baking soda. Add a dash of sesame seeds for that nutty bite. Mix well to form the dough into a log or spread it in a tray. We'll steam this for about 15 to 20 minutes, until it's firm. This step ensures the vadi is cooked perfectly all the way through.
A few moments later.
This is how it looks after steaming. Let the vadi cool down. Once cooled, slice them into bite-sized pieces. Now, the best part: frying. You can shallow fry or deep fry these until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Just look at that crunch. These go perfectly with a hot cup of chai. If you loved this traditional recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Hott and Sweet. Let me know in the comments. Do you like yours deep fried or shallow fried?